Today we will do collision mattress, also known as collision mat. In case there is a collision, let's say on the ship side, there is a hole below the water, and the hole is big enough for the water to flow freely, and the pumps are not able to take that much suction. That means the rate of filling is more than the rate of discharge by the pumps. So this is also known as bilging. That means there is flooding of one compartment, let's say one cargo hold, and the water finally comes to rest when it is at the sea level. And the pumps are not able to discharge it because the rate of filling, the hole is so big, rate of filling is more. So the sounding remains the same even when the pumps are discharging. So this is known as bilging. Now, in case this is due to a collision, let's say starboard side of the ship, port side, main deck, water line. So the rate of ingress, rate of filling, rate of ingress, there's a formula you can calculate. It is equal to 3 into area into square root of h. A is the area of the hole in meter square. H is the distance from the center of the hole to the water line. And the rate of ingress is in metric tons per second. So you can calculate the rate of ingress like this. Now, collision mattress is a mattress which we have to put from the outside of the ship to cover this hole so that A becomes much less. It will never become zero because there will be some slight leakage, but it will be reduced by 70 or 80% or 90%. So, in case A was earlier 1 meter by 1 meter, so after you have the collision mattress put outside like this, so area will reduce maybe 80 to 90%. It might become 0.1, and then your pumps can be used to discharge this water and keep the compartment empty. So that is the purpose of the collision mattress. Now, how to make the collision mattress? It's quite easy. You just take a piece of canvas which is approximately double the area of the hole. If the hole is, let's say, 1 meter by 1 meter, so take a piece of canvas which is roughly 2 meters by 2 meters, and then you take some planks of wood and cover the canvas, like one piece of wood, another piece of wood, like this. So the entire canvas is covered, planks of wood, and then on top of this you put another canvas of the same size. So it will become like a sandwich. You will have a canvas, and then you have wood, and then you have another canvas, and after that you hammer some nails so that the canvas is binded to the planks of wood, including the bottom canvas. So the nails have to be large so that it will penetrate the full wood and the bottom of the canvas. So this is the collision mattress which now we have to place on top of this hole from outside the ship. So how to do that? We take 4 wires which are roughly 4 times the depth of the ship. Depth of the ship is distance from main deck to the keel. So let's say the depth is 20 meters. So take 4 wires, each wire 4 multiplied by 20, approximately 80 meters length, and attach these 4 wires to the 4 corners. One here, to the four corners of the canvas. Now this is your collision mattress. Now how to place it here? You have to go in the forward part of the ship. Two people have to go with two wires, which is again approximately 80 meters, and go to the forward part of the ship. So one man stands port bow, one starboard bow, and then lower the wire. So the wire gets lowered. One man takes the end of the wire. So this is the wire, and this is the coil. So this end of the wire, one man keeps in his hand. The other man takes the entire coil and starts lowering it. So it gets lowered like this, and if you see the transverse section of the ship, finally this wire goes under the ship, and then if this is the starboard side, this is the port side, and then it goes under the ship, and then so one man is holding the end of the wire, this man has got the coil, and the wire has gone under the ship from here under the ship, and then from starboard side to port side, and then this man has to walk backwards. Let's see, the hole is suppose starboard side midship, and this man also walks backward. So finally this wire goes under the ship in the midship area, and then you take another wire and follow the same procedure here. So finally you will have two wires under the ship close to each other, and the hole is between the, this is the water line, this is the hole. So now you have to attach this collision mattress here. So take this collision mattress, these two wires, attach them here and start lowering it, and these two wires will be, this will mattress will be started getting lowered, and this wire will be pulled up, this wire will be slackened. So the finally the mattress will come here, and these two wires of the mattress, these two wires will be made fast here, and these two wires of the mattress, these two will be going under the ship on the other side and make fast here. So in this way you can reduce A, and you can proceed on the voyage. Once the pumps are able to discharge the water at slow speed, you can continue your voyage.